Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you how to make this yummy crunchy chicken. The ingredients you're gonna need are chicken. I cut in my chicken in small pieces, as you can see guys. And here I have egg, salt, pepper, black pepper, and lemon if you want. And it's not so much to use the lemon. And here I have flour and breadcrumbs and sunflower oil. Yes, and here I have my pan. That's gonna wait a little bit, and then first we're going to start to marinate the chicken. So here's my chicken. To marinate my chicken, I'm gonna put a little bit of salt. Now you can add your black pepper. It's depend on you. Sometimes you can use the lemon juice like this, or sometimes you can use the lemon zest. But yeah, so today I'm going to use this. I'm going to mix everything together. I'm not gonna use a lot of spice, guys. Just the salt and pepper and lemon to give a little bit flavor my chicken. Okay, so I'm gonna put this aside, and now I'm gonna show you how I prepare my flour. To the white flour, with the breadcrumbs I put nothing, but to white flour I put a little bit of salt and then a little bit of black pepper. I'm gonna mix it together. Dip all your chicken inside the plain flour. And after, you can dip them inside the egg. It's better to have a dish which is open and big like this so that you can put all your chicken inside. So as you can see, my chicken, they are all inside the egg. I'm gonna add more flour to that to the same plate, and then I'm going to add a little bit of salt too, and mixing all of this together, breadcrumbs and normal flour. Mix it all together. What it's gonna make the chicken to be so crunchy is the breadcrumbs. So I'm gonna mix all together, as you can see here. And now I'm taking my chicken again from the egg, dip it into the flour, just like this, guys. This is so easy and it's quick, guys. So yeah. So now I'm going to put my chicken inside the oil, hot oil. So you're going to cook them for about 10 to 12 minutes, depending on your chicken size. So you're gonna turn them when they are brown in color like this. So now my chicken already, guys. You can see the chicken looks nicely and crunchy, crispy.